Hi everybody, today I am going to teach you how to make a simple paper airplane. This plane is very easy to make and it flies very well inside the house. So let's start now. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, don't worry, use A4 paper. And now let's start. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Then unfold the paper. Next, let's start from the top edge, fold both sides to the center crease. When you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Make sure that both sides are even. So I need to adjust it just a little bit. And then I'll start from both edges, fold both sides to the center crease. And now let's start from this tip for straight to this point. Let me turn the paper this way and then I'll fold this tip to this point. This is so simple and so obvious. Alright, and the following step, let's start from this part of the paper, fold straight up like this. And what will be next? I will start from this edge, fold it to this line. And then I repeat the same fold for the other side. And fold it up. And now that I have a very nice shape of the plane. Next step, let me fold the paper in half. Okay, let me adjust this part of the plane as well and fold it in half. Alright, so this is what we have so far. On the following step, let's fold this edge, match it to the other edge here to create the wings. Okay, so let's fold it this way. And then flip the paper over, repeat the same fold. And now you can open the wings. The plans look very okay, right? But it doesn't look very nice. So at the end of the at the tip, at the top of the plane, let's do it this way. Let's fold this side up. Let's fold this side up. Okay. And press down. What next? Let's fold both sides toward the center. And then fold this top part down. Okay. Okay, so let's fold this straight down too, like this, straight down. Otherwise, it will look very weird. So fold straight down to hold the head. Right, we need a very strong, heavy head so that the plane will fly well. So now we have it. And at the end of the wings, what should we do? Create the stabilizers so that the plane will fly straight. Actually, if you don't want to create the stabilizers, you can just curl the end of the wings up like this. Alright, so let me create the stabilizer, and when we go outside, I will show you different option and how the plane fly. Are you ready now? You can adjust both sides to make sure that both sides are even. Just do it randomly like this. Alright everyone, and this is the paper airplane, and before you fly this plane, make sure that you flatten down the stabilizer. Alright, so if you flatten down the stabilizer, the plane will fly very well. Test it out and let me know how far can you fly with this plane. If the plane works well for you, give video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.